Hello everyone. Today we'll be walking you through our project for the Smart India Hackathon 2025. Our problem statement focuses on integrating India's NEMA-STE codes and the WHO's ICD-11 TM2 module into FHIR-compliant electronic medical record systems. Let's start with the problem. India's Ayush sector, which includes Ayurveda, Siddha, and Unani medicine, is rapidly moving away from paper-based patient records towards digital systems. But a key barrier remains. How do we document diagnoses in a standardized way that works both locally and globally? Here's the situation. India developed the Namaste codes, a rich vocabulary with over 4,500 standardized terms for Ayush disorders. The World Health Organization created the ICD-11 TM2 module, a global framework that integrates over 500 traditional medicine disorder categories into the international ICD-11 system. But right now, these two systems are not harmonized inside most EMRs. This means clinicians struggle with documentation. Insurance claims for Ayush treatments become difficult to process. Policymakers lack real-time data for morbidity analysis, and most importantly, patients miss out on the benefits of integrating traditional and modern healthcare insights. That's where our solution, Ayush Nexus, comes in. We are proposing a lightweight terminology microservice that enables dual coding within electronic medical records. What does that mean? When a clinician enters a diagnosis, the system automatically retrieves the NAMASTE code for the traditional disorder. At the same time, it maps this code to its equivalent ICD-11 TM2 or biomedicine code. Both codes are then stored together in the patient's record, ensuring interoperability at national and global levels. This integration is designed to be seamless, FHIR compliant, and fully aligned with India's 2016 EHR standards. Now let's talk about the technologies powering our solution. Clinicians will access the system through a secure ABHA authenticated user interface, ensuring only authorized users can log in. At the backend, a Node.js microservice manages all the terminology logic, handling the ingestion of NAMAST data and syncing with the WHO ICD-11 API. For storage, we use MongoDB, which efficiently maintains the mappings between Namaste codes, ICD-11 TM2, and biomedicine codes. To ensure interoperability, our service exposes FHIR-compliant APIs, including code system and concept map resources, and supports dual-code bundle uploads into EMRs. This combination of Node.js, MongoDB, and FHIR APIs creates a lightweight, scalable, and secure microservice that can be easily integrated into existing EMR systems. Our solution delivers impact across the healthcare ecosystem. For clinicians, it streamlines documentation with faster, error-free dual coding. For patients, it bridges traditional and modern medicine for better care. For insurers, it simplifies Ayush claims with standardized ICD-11 codes. For policymakers, it enables real-time morbidity analytics to guide health decisions. In short, it ensures compliance, boosts trust, and makes Ayush digital healthcare globally interoperable. Here is the short demonstration of our prototype application. What you're seeing now is the front page of the NAMASTE portal, the entry point for clinicians and developers to interact with our system. This is the API documentation section, where we showcase the FHIR integration APIs. Here, you can see the API endpoints, which define how EMRs can interact with our terminology microservice. Along with this, we provide SDKs and ready-to-use tools that make it easier for developers and EMR vendors to plug our service into their systems. This is the NAMASTE Healthcare EMR page. Here, the user or clinician simply enters their ABHA ID and authentication code to securely log into the system. After logging in, you can see the portal dashboard, which provides all the necessary patient and system information. From here, we will now move to the diagnosis entry section to begin recording patient details. In this section, we will begin by entering the patient's essential information, including their name, ID, age, and gender. Following that, we will record the clinical assessment details, such as the chief complaint, symptoms, and other relevant observations. Additionally, we have integrated a chatbot here, allowing users to get instant assistance whenever they have any queries. After submission, the data is analyzed, mapped, and a detailed report is generated. Here you can see the detailed report showing the mapping between ICD codes and NAMA STE codes and vice versa. Here we can also export the result into JSON format. Here you can see the admin dashboard designed for monitoring and tracking activities efficiently.